Hi, I'm Robert Monge, an instruction librarian at Western Oregon University. Let's create a pie chart in Google Sheets. Start off by highlighting all of your data, including your headers. From the top toolbar, go to Insert, then down to Chart. Google likes to guess what type of chart you're creating. In fact, it almost always guesses bar chart, but since we're creating a pie chart, you can go to the right-hand side of the screen and under Chart Type, from the drop-down menu, choose what type of chart you're looking for. So pie chart. You get three options here: pie chart, donut hole, and 3D. You can actually make adjustments to your pie chart in the editing process, so I'm going to select pie chart. Then you want to go to Customize on the right-hand side of the screen. If you don't get this option, you can select the three dots and then Edit Chart, and that'll pull up that options for you. So over here you can make various adjustments to your pie chart. I'm not going to go through all of them, but I will show you some of the key ones. So under Chart Style, you can decide if you want that to be 3D or not. I'm going to go with not, because under Pie Chart, you can also decide if you want a donut hole or not. And I like the donut hole option. You want to look at Slice Label. This will give you what type of information you want on your pie chart labels. So each individual slice. So I want the percentage. Under the pie slice, you can then change each individual color of the pie slices. So drawing a picture is labeled at blue. I can change that to purple. Then I can use the drop-down menu to change any of the other colors that I want. This also distance from center allows you to separate a pie slice out. So if I want it to highlight that, I can. I'm going to go back to 0% here. Under Chart and Axis Titles, I can make adjustments to my title. I changed it to Favorite Method for solving math word problems. And I'm going to make a few adjustments by changing the color to black, bold, and I'm going to change that to center. The last part I'm going to change is the legend. So this is what identifies each pie slice. It's in an auto position right now, but I want it, say, on the right-hand side. That makes it a little bit more readable. So you can change how you want these to look. When you are happy with your pie chart, select the three dots and Copy Chart. Open up a Word doc, right-click, and select Paste or Control-V. You get an option for Link to Spreadsheet or Paste Unlinked. I'm going to choose Paste Unlinked for simplicity sake, and if you want to know how Link to Spreadsheet works, watch the video on this guide. Now I've created a pie chart in Google Sheets and copied it to a Google Doc.